Hey guys, welcome back to Risk of Rain 2. Yeah, that's right, back to Risk of Rain 2. I haven't played this in a bit. This time I'm doing randomly generated items with Risk of Chaos on. I'm not doing randomly generated projectiles because that gets out of hand really quickly. Like, really quickly. So, I'm gonna be doing, oh yeah, the item amount that I get every time I pick up an item is random as well. So this is gonna be hopefully pretty chaotic, but let's see if I can get a good run. Alright, let's see. I need money. And not where? Oh, everyone's in school, I forgot. So great. Oh, he's over here. Okay. I thought I was tripping and it was just sounds. Modern headache. Oh. Okay. See, I got 2 of them instead of just 1. Sometimes you get like 40 though. I didn't even get a chance to read all that. Ooh. I haven't played Risk of Rain 2 in quite a bit because I was trying to stop just constantly doing Risk of Rain 2 stuff. So that's pretty good. And I got 32 of them. Alright, let's open some more chests and see if I can get some good stuff. Barrier, great chance. Good. Love that I don't have barrier. Oh well. It is just a little wacky though. Right, if you're staying still. Oh, that's good. Extra damage. Not really. Base regen by so I have like 1,000 extra base regen. Awesome. I also now got another 13 of those. Oh my gosh. The extra pots do quite a bit of damage, it seems. Just a tad. There you are. Ah. That's pretty good. I want to see my regen. Oh my gosh. That, yeah, I got a bit of, and now we're on Drizzled for one stage. So well. Oh yeah, I have a couple of lunar coins, if you haven't noticed already. Just a tad. Oh, when did that next effect thing get there? I wonder if I can kill the noob. $11. so I can. You're telling me I can just kind of in the air only. Okay. Let's see what's the green. What the heck? My items, no! If I pick these up, I'm just gonna get more of them. This is... whatever. Oh, crit chance. Nice. How many do I have of those? Enough. Alright, let's see. I'm gonna... no, not enough damage yet. Oh, hey guys. Well, let's get out of here. I think that was More, more than enough. Alright, and oh, since it's mid-air, that's actually really good as Artificer. That's nice. Alright, let's grab this real quick. What do we got? Killing elite gives me healing. That's pretty good. Well, I don't have another 58. I can grab some from here. Alright. What do we get? Oh, thank you. Ah, and I have 48 of them. I can't wait for this to somehow be my downfall. Okay. I think it's only a natural conclusion. So, after standing still for a second, I get a bunch of crit chance? Okay. I already have like max though. I really hope I don't have 50 billion effects stack like last time. That's pretty good. Extra gold. Teleporter in a reasonable amount of time. Ooh. Interesting. Oh, mine 50% skill. Oh, that doesn't really matter right now though. Oh, equipment. Probably not. I kind of hope that's what happens though. Oh. This is very saddening. Do I have something that happens on equipment use though? I think it's the only thing I can use that on. Only thing. That's a really terrible equipment. Secondary skill cooldown and crit chance for barrier. That's pretty good. So every hit gives me barrier. Great. I don't really want to jump because every time I jump I go like a whole mile up. I'll have to see. Alright. Where is Stone Titan? And you're dead. Ooh! Base damage by... Uh-oh. So, on heal, I gain 1 billion movement speed, and also I have... Oh my gosh. I also now have, let's see, how much, whatchamacallit, damage do I do? One shot is 488, that's pretty good. That's also probably because like I have, oh, blue portal, you know what time it is. It's red time. Alright. I think my dad just yelled. I wonder if the mic caught that. Alright. Let's grab my 1 red. Sorry, 21. So, on kill, I just jump stupid high. That's doing pretty okay damage. Yeah, that's pretty good damage. Especially for, what, stage 3. Oh, we're back to normal. No longer Eclipse. I forgot when Eclipse happened. Barrier and shield, chance to get barrier on skill use, it seems. Let's get this fear looking one. Gain armor and deep while debuffed, and gain to fireball. Okay. Except for when you have 2 movement speed. Missile on hit. Very good. I like that one. That's a waffle. Here's a chest. Alrighty. This is very funny. No. Ooh. Oh. Better barrier and lower cooldown. Great. I wish I could get one that activated all my stuff. It'd be very fire. Let's get this random. Alright. Oh. Once again, as fast as I can possibly go. Oh, cool. Let's get that as soon as I can. Wisp explosion. Oh! How big is the wisp explosion? Is it huge? I really hope it is. So it just clears everything in one shot. Alright. Let's grab this. Ooh! All restrictive for 8 seconds. I hope that's good. So, how many jumps do I have? A couple of jumps. Hold up. Oh, I don't have enough money. Imp Overlord? Where? There you are. Watch this. Boom. Oh, everything's explosive when it dies now. Great. Alright, what happens if I do this? Oh my god! Oh my god! So I heal every time I shoot when that happens, and oh my god! Okay, hold up. Okay, I'm back. Whew. Okay, that's really funny. It just lets me launch to the side. Teleporter's almost done. Here we go. Next zone. Oh, I didn't grab the chest. Oh well. Oh. Okay. Alright. I think I'll just open some large chests. And then wait, and then grab the... Oh! Fire a wisp explosion for how big? I see. Now I just need something that makes it so that... Oh my gosh! That I have a 2-second equipment cooldown. My jump height is too high. I just ascend upwards. I can't try to cancel my fall damage, or else I'm just gonna die. Okay, so now I do crazy bleed as well. Crit chance. Oh yeah, I really needed that one. Really needed that one. More shield. What is... Oh, I got the poison. Blood money. What is that? Is it 20% of my health or something? Oh, I got you. Yeah, I really needed that. Alright, let's get out of here before I explode. I didn't even jump, I just bounced. Debuffed, gain some armor. Oh, whoop. Watch this. Kaboom! And, oh, uh-oh. Come on. There we go. But then why does it does... This is definitely below 0.5 seconds. This might be a fire rate thing. In which case I have no idea what the fire rate is. I don't remember getting anything that boosted my fire rate. Okay, I'm gonna open like at most a big chest or two, and then I'm just gonna go straight to equipment. Let's get this one. Load. A large damaged chest. Great. I don't think I need that. Boom. Oh, now I heal. I love delayed attacks so much. It seems. Oh yeah, there's probably something that has a restrictive cooldown. Okay. Oh. Oh. Oh hey. I now have Kip Kip the Gentle. I really have a bunch of choice now, do I? Arcane Ball. This is just a better version of that one, so I'll take that. And I'm just gonna get out of here. Okay, let's go ahead to the moon. Boom. I don't think I really need Kip Kip, but it'd be nice if he died and dropped me a billion items. Dropped a orange, yellow. Increased pace. It was the same thing. I now have 52 of them. I'm a little too fast. Oh. Relocate. Hey! Never mind, this is perfect. I'm capable of flight. Alright, let's get out of here. I didn't mean like that. Wait. Hold up. I need it. Oh, I really wanted the... Oh well. I still have Kip Kip? Oh. Oh, great. I wonder if I can just ramp off of this thing. Oh, I have double jumps, I forgot. This looks so scuffed. Why I'm at an angle. It's so weird. And I'm ready. Oh my gosh. I'm in the ceiling. Oh, he's in the ceiling. I'm over here. Hey. Oh, there we go. Let me just get rid of all this. Nope, that's a wall. Come on. It's really hard to aim when every time you press a W, you fly 50 feet forward. Nope. Come on. Over here. Uh-oh, pizza might kill me. No, he died. Come on. Give me another thing. Uh-oh. Yeah, I kind of suspected that would happen. Oh well. Yeah, that was Risk of Rain 2, but a lot of things are random. So I hope this was a good video, and I'll see you guys next time.